Today we are looking at adding fractions. When we are adding fractions, we look at the denominators. We have 5 here and 15 here. So we go in the multiples of 5 and see where exactly we can find 15. We know the multiples of 5. We have 5, 10, 15. That is found at 3 times. So we multiply times 3 here, times 3 here. So we form our new fraction, which is 6 out of 15, and then our second fraction still remain the same, 2 over 15. Then now here we can add because we have the same denominators. 6 plus 2, that is 8, 8 out of 15. Then we can get our next example, which is out of 18 plus 5 out of 6. Still we'll look at the denominators, 18 and 6. And we know that in the multiples of 6 we can get 18 times 3. So we multiply times 3 on the numerator. Then we form our equivalent fractions, which is 5 out of 18 and 15 out of 18. Then we can add these two fractions. 5 plus 15, that is 20, 20 over 18. This one we can reduce it by dividing. 20 divided by 18. We'll get one whole number, and the remainder, 20 minus 18, is 2. 2 out of 18, still, which can be reduced to one whole number. Divide by 2, 1. Divide by 2, 9. This will be our final answer. Now, we move on to the next question, which is number 3. 3 whole numbers. This time you have a whole number. 2 out of 8 plus 6. 3 out of 4. Let's add this. Still, we'll go and look at the denominators. We have 8 and 4. So we'll change the 4 to 8. 4 times 2 times 2. Our new fraction here is going to be with a whole number, 3, 2 out of 8. Then 6 whole numbers and 6 out of 8. Then we can add this. 2 plus 6, that is 8. And 8 out of 8 is the same as 1. So we will carry this 1 on top here. And we have 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 plus 6. So our final answer here will be 10. Thank you so much.